there, guys. Thanks so much for popping over here to Jami Jo Sells Wax over on YouTube. I am so excited about what I have to share with you guys today. Scentsy is releasing a brand new product on September 1st, and I have it here before it's even released to show you all the details about this amazing new product. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Jami Jo, and I have a partnership with Scentsy Fragrance. I have been working with the company for almost 15 years now, sharing fragrance and sharing the joy that fragrance can bring to your life. Did you know that the first thing that people notice when they enter a new space is how it smells? Think about it. Really, you notice if when you walk into a room, if it smells really good, or on the flip side, if it smells really bad. So I absolutely love my job in sharing fragrance and helping people to make their environments more pleasant, more welcoming, and just a happier place to be. Now, let's jump in and talk about this product. First of all, what is this brand new product? I'm going to tell you that, and then I'm going to tell you the evolution that got us here. This is the brand new product. This is a tabletop fan diffuser from Scentsy Fragrance. Now, let me tell you the backstory of this product. Then I'm going to tell you why it's so amazing and give you some ideas of how you can use it in your day-to-day life. Now, Scentsy Fragrance started with wax and warmers. We have had wax and warmers since the company began, and they are amazing, but sometimes they can be messy. And if your environment has little ones in it with little bitty fingers and that are always curious, or maybe you have pets with swishy tails, or I have a cat, and let me tell you, curious is an understatement about my little furry friend. So we, as customers and as consultants, begged Scentsy Fragrance for a mess-free fragrance option, and that's when they came up with these. This is a wall fan diffuser. Now, a couple things that are so cool about the wall fan diffuser, which leads on to this brand new product, is the wall fan diffuser is no wax, so no mess. It works because there is a fan down in the bottom of the wall diffuser. You take these pods. Pods are fragrance beads in a little plastic cage. So fully encased in there, nothing is melting down. It's just a fan that is starting in the base of this, blowing past those pods to give off the fragrance. Now, the wall fans have an on-off switch right here. Some of them have a downlight, some of them do not, but non-breakable. I mean, I'm sure that it's possible to break them, but these are super sturdy. They're great for hallways. They're great for plugins that are down low because you don't have to worry about them getting knocked over and making a mess. So that is where we started, was with wall fan diffusers. Well, then they thought, wouldn't it be fun to have a more portable option of the no mess fragrance? So that's when they released these little mini fan diffusers. How cute is that? We have them in several different colors, and we now also have a cheetah print. Now, this is great for several different areas of your life. A lot of people are using these in their vehicles. It is powered with a USB port. So if you have a USB port in your vehicle, this is a great option for you. These came out when a lot of us switched to working remotely. And this is great because it can plug right into your computer. You can take this with you, pop the pod right on top there. It just sits on top of that fan, and you can take this anywhere and have fragrance no matter where you're working if you're plugging it into your computer. But this is just super portable. I take it with me whenever I travel because it doesn't take up a lot of space in my luggage, yet still can give great fragrance in whatever Airbnb or hotel that I'm in. So this was step 2, the mini fan diffuser. Then came this. This that's releasing on September 1st. So I like to describe this as a Scentsy warmer and a fan diffuser had a baby. It's gorgeous, like a Scentsy warmer. It is ceramic, so it has a nice high quality look to it. We have 2 different designs that are coming out. This is one of your options, and it does come with that USB cord. What I love is this cord is long. This cord is way longer than any of the others that we've had on those mini fans. I mean, good grief. Yeah. You've got a great cord length there. So you're just gonna pop this in to your tabletop fan. You have an on-off switch right here. My camera is not being my friend today. Let me pull that down and then show it to you again. Right there, you can see that on-off switch right there. So this is not going to give off any light, but it does have that fan down in the bottom, just like all of our mini fan products. You're gonna put those pods in there. You can choose to put 1 or 2. You have this USB port, so that gives you so much flexibility. You can just grab one of the wall ports like you do to plug in your phone to charge it up or whatever. You can plug that USB right in there and plug it into an outlet. But here is what is super cool. What if you got one of those battery packs like you take maybe on vacation to charge up your phone along the way? What if you got one of those battery packs and you put it underneath here, plugged it into that, and then maybe took a little bit of Target spot greenery or something like that. I thought I had some down here, but I don't. Just any type of greenery to wrap around the bottom, kind of hide that battery pack. You could have cordless fragrance. So this could be put on a kitchen island. It could be put on a dining room table. It could be put on a coffee table. This gives us so many different fragrance options that we have never had with Scentsy fragrance. Now, I have a lot of customers that are realtors, and what they come to me asking for is easy on-the-go fragrance that is beautiful at the same time. Warmers are kind of hard for realtors to use because if they're doing a showing, yeah, they can melt down the wax, it smells great, but then you're having to do something with that wax as you're having to jet out of the house super quick. Maybe you soak it up with a cotton cleanup and toss it away, then you're wasting wax. Otherwise, you have to just gently set it in the box and hope that no spillage happens. It's just not the ideal situation. Now, these wall fan diffusers are great for the option in showing a house. Realtors love these wall fan diffusers, but they're kind of tucked down away and not super noticeable. You grab a battery pack, you pop it underneath this tabletop fan, put that little bit of greenery on it, put it right on the kitchen island or the kitchen counter, the dining room table, wherever it is that you're interacting with your potential buyers. And it is the ideal situation for fragrance that can easily be packed up and taken with you, but it's going to give a lot of punch. This is going to be super noticeable fragrance, and it's going to make the area just smell amazing. And it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Like I said, I say it's like a warmer and a mini fan had a baby because that's exactly what it reminds me of. Now, guys, these are available on September 1st. I told you there were 2 different designs. Let me flip through my catalog real quick, show you the other option that you have, and give you the technical name for that one. New catalog. I don't have everything memorized in here. So, I feel like I need the Jeopardy music playing or something like that. Okay, this one that I showed you is called Bespeckled. Then we also have Dashing Denim right there. Those are your 2 options, and you can see the price point right there. These are only $30. What an amazing price point for such a versatile product. On September 1st, you can jump over to JamiJoSellsWax.com and get yours there. Don't forget to grab your pods to go with it. If you have any questions about it, or if you would like to set up an affiliate link to possibly earn yours for free using host rewards, just shoot me a text. You can reach me anytime at 918-888-9690. Guys, just to remind you, my name is Jami Jo, and I am here to help you with all your fragrance needs, and I am thrilled to be able to share with you this brand new Scentsy product.